Today on Make It Take It Outdoors, we're going to make vibrating blade baits with stuff you probably already have in your tackle box. It's a chilly April 1st, 2020, and I had to get out of the house and do some social distancing with a fishing rod in my hand. So, welcome to another episode of me making a lure I've never made before. I've seen a couple people make it like this, and today we're making a vibrating blade lure. Not exactly sure what they call them, but I know what I'm making, I hope. We're going to start off with what we have here is a 1/4 ounce egg sinker. And what that'll do is provide the weight. So first thing we're going to do is cut a nice slot in it. What I want that to do is to add weight to the front, just like that. And I gotta see if I can get through that a little bit there. All right. Finished the cut, so now it's all the way through. We'll set that aside. Now what we need to do is flatten this out. And if I had some better pliers or bigger pliers, I could try that. But we're going to work with what we have out here, which is the drill press vise. Squish that down. And again, sorry for the traffic noise. That's part of living on a major route. Yeah, it's coming along. Not sure if you can see. Pretty flat. Again, I work for the government, so good enough for government work. All right, now this back hole I'll use for one of the hooks. I'm going to put a hook right here. I'll put a couple adjustment holes up here where we can attach the line tie, which is going to be just a snap lock like that. We're going to super glue the weight right down here. All right, let's see how this goes. Alright, so what we'll have is one hook tied here, one hook tied here, weight will go right there. Okay, so I did a really crappy job there. So I think I'll put one more up here. I don't think it'll hurt anything. Oh heck, that one's even in worse place. So yeah, this isn't looking the best right now. So we're just going to go line and tie it onto that one. Well, as I feared, that was my last large willow blade. All right. Helps if the tube isn't clogged. In there. And also put... I'm going to go fairly weight forward with this because the crappy positioning I have that top hole. If you just didn't see that, I nearly super glued my finger to it. All right, that's not going anywhere. So we'll have our line tie right here. And hopefully that'll pull it through, and we'll still get some good vibration from it. All right, time to put some hooks on split rings. All right, got our hooks ready on split rings, and what we need to do now is just get them on the blade like so. And I love my round nose pliers for this, because then all I gotta do is go in there and feed that split ring through. So this is what it's looking like so far. Let's try that again. There we go. I think I'm gonna go hook to that one there, even though it's not the best hole. Now, let's see if we can get this in there. There we go. Let's see how it works. All right, so if you can see this, I found another willow blade, a bigger one. So I went ahead and made two. This is the second one. The holes are better drilled. And like I said, and being bigger, I used a larger weight. So let's see what happens. Yep, it's shaking like crazy. Watch the crap. Oh, you can see the rod tip there. It's crazy shaking. So here's a smaller one, the first one I made. Yep, it shakes like crazy too. All right, happy with the way it's going, but I'm cold. Let's finish this up in the car. All right, as you can see from my rosy cheeks and my nose, it's cold out. It's in the mid 40s with a lot of wind, so it's probably wind chills in the 30s. But I had to try out the lure, and I was really happy with both of them. Definitely a big difference, obviously, because one was larger and heavier. It had a much wider wobble. The other one was a little bit tighter, but they both put out a lot of vibration, so I think they're going to be good lures once it warms up. Please warm up soon. And it's supposed to the next few days. If you like videos like this, please do me a favor and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want me to do next. If you really like them, hit subscribe. I would love to see more subscribers and everything. I'm going to keep doing them. I've only got a couple hundred now, but this is a lot of fun. I've put out probably, I don't know, maybe 30 videos so far, maybe more. Who knows? I'm not counting. But thanks again for watching. You have a great day. Please stay safe during this pandemic craziness. And that's what it is. It's crazy. But as I always tell you, tight lines. All right. Again, avoid the All right. Today on Make It Take It Outdoors, we're going to be all right. It's a chilly April 1st, 2020, and